What is an ozone layer? The ozone layer is mainly found in the lower portion of the Earth's atmosphere. It has the potential to absorb around 97 to 99% of the harmful ultraviolet radiation that is coming from the sun that can damage the life on the Earth. If the ozone layer was absent, millions of people would develop skin diseases and may have weakened immune systems. However, the scientists have discovered a hole in the ozone layer over Antarctica. This has focused their concern on various environmental issues and steps to control them. The main reasons for the ozone hole are chlorofluorocarbons, carbon tetrachloride, methyl bromide, and hydrochlorofluorocarbons. The ozone layer depletion is the gradual thinning of the Earth's ozone layer in the upper atmosphere that is caused due to the release of different chemical compounds which contain gaseous bromine or chlorine from industries or other human activities. Some compounds release chlorine and bromine on exposure to high ultraviolet light, which then contribute to ozone layer depletion. Such compounds are known as ozone depleting substances or ODS. These ozone depleting substances that contain chlorine include chlorofluorocarbon, carbon tetrachloride, hydrochlorofluorocarbons, and methyl chloroform. Whereas the ozone depleting substances that contain bromine are halones, methyl bromide, and hydrobromofluorocarbons. The chlorofluorocarbons are the most abundant ozone depleting substances. It is only when the chlorine atom reacts with some other molecules and it does not react with the ozone. What are the causes of ozone layer depletion? The ozone layer depletion is a major concern and is associated with a number of factors. The main causes are responsible for the depletion of the ozone layers are listed. First one will be chlorofluorocarbons. The chlorofluorocarbons are CFCs and which is the main cause of ozone layer depletion. So these are released by solvents, spray aerosols, refrigerator, air conditioners, etc. The molecules of chlorofluorocarbons in the stratosphere which are broken down by the ultraviolet radiations and release chlorine atoms. These atoms react with ozone and destroys it. The unregulated rocket launches. The researchers says that the unregulated launching of rockets result in much more depletion of the ozone layer than the CFCs do. If not controlled, this might result in a huge loss of the ozone layer by the year of 2050. Nitrogenous compounds. The nitrogenous compounds such as NO2, NO, N2O are highly responsible for the depletion of ozone layer. Natural causes. The ozone layer has been found to be depleted by certain natural processes such as sunspots and stratospheric wind, but it does not cause more than 1 to 2% of the ozone layer depletion. The volcanic eruptions are also responsible for the depletion of ozone layer. Effects on human health. Humans will be directly exposed to the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun due to the depletion of the ozone layer. This might result in serious health issues among humans such as skin diseases, cancer, sunburn, cataract, quick aging, and a weak immune system. Effect on animals. The direct exposure to ultraviolet radiation lead to the skin and eye cancers in animals. Effect on the environment. The strong ultraviolet rays may lead to minimal growth, flowering, and photosynthesis in plants. The forest also have to bear the harmful effect of the ultraviolet rays. Effect on marine life. Plankton, which are greatly affected by the exposure to harmful ultraviolet rays. These are higher in the aquatic food chain. If the planktons are destroyed, the organisms present in the food chain are also will be affected. The solution to ozone layer depletion. The depletion of the ozone layer is a serious issue and various programs have been launched by the government of various countries to prevent it. However, the steps should be taken at the individual level as well as to prevent the depletion of ozone layer. There are some points that would be help in preventing the problems at a global level. They are, first one will be avoiding using ODS. Reduce the use of ozone depleting substances. Example, avoid the use of chlorofluorocarbons in refrigerator and air conditioner and replace the halon based fire extinguisher. Next will be the minimize the use of vehicles. The vehicles emit a large amount of greenhouse gases that can lead to the global warming as well as ozone depletion. Therefore, the use of vehicles should be minimalized as much as possible. Next will be the use of eco-friendly cleaning products. The most of the cleaning products have chlorine and bromine, which are releasing chemicals that find a way into the atmosphere and affect the ozone layer. They should be substituted with the natural products to protect the environment.